Let's take a look at the value, the worth of what 5,000 Dogecoin. Of course, Dogecoin will keep increasing in value in years to come, although Dogecoin is currently trading at 14 cents per coin. Now, remember, Dogecoin actually hit 73 cents. That was in May 8, 2021. A year ago, Dogecoin hit 73 cents, which signifies that Dogecoin can still reach $1 any moment. Dogecoin is number 11 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now, in this video, we are going to take a look at the value of 5,000 Dogecoin in few years to come. Remember, this video is not a financial advice, but only provided for information purpose. Now, we are expecting Dogecoin to actually reach 40 cents by the end of next year. We are expecting Dogecoin to reach 40 cents, and if you have 5,000 coins of Dogecoin, which means an investment of $750 now can give you 5,000 Dogecoin. You are going to make $1,344, and your total money will be $2,000. Now, if Dogecoin eventually hits 80 cents in 2024, that means your money will be worth $4,188 return. Okay. Now, if Dogecoin in 2025, we're expecting Dogecoin in 2025 to actually reach between $1.30 and $1.50. Let's say $1.30. That simply means you'll be making $6,800 with your 5,000 Dogecoin tokens. So, okay, now in 2030, of course, that's the year. So many people have been predicting Dogecoin to reach $5 to reach $10, but we are predicting Dogecoin to actually reach between $3.50 to $5. And if Dogecoin hits $3.50 in 2030, that simply means if you have 5,000 worth of Dogecoin, if you have 5,000 coins of Dogecoin, which you can buy today at time of recording this video with $750, then you will be making $18,326. I mean, that is a lot of money. Of course, we are very certain Dogecoin can reach this price, considering that a lot of people, a lot of companies have been partnering with Dogecoin, and Elon Musk himself has been supporting Dogecoin. He's really strongly supporting Dogecoin. Now, we are hoping to see when his company will start accepting Dogecoin as means of payment, just like the way other companies have been doing, because so many companies are actually using Dogecoin as means of payment. And even though, not just that, Dogecoin actually reached last year, Dogecoin reached 73 cents, which simply means Dogecoin still have that potential of rising to $3.50 in 2030. That's what I'm talking about, next 8 years to come. And the market cap of Dogecoin now is 18 cents, which simply means by the time Dogecoin will hit $3.50, the market cap of Dogecoin will be trading between $200 billion to $250 billion, which is possible. Okay, it is possible once if cryptocurrency keep growing, keep adding in value, especially Bitcoin. They expect Dogecoin to increase in value. So an investment of $750 today, which will give you about 5,000 coins of Dogecoin, will eventually return over $17,500, and your total money is $18,326 in next 8 years to come. Once again, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.